All right, to pick our next vacation for spring break 2024, we've got 8 cups. Each cup has a 3x5 card in it, and each card has a different thing. So there's some money, there's where we're gonna go, there's the excursion we're gonna do. And so we're gonna roll to see who gets to pick where we go and what we do, and who gets some spending money. All right, Mommy, go ahead. What do you got?
I have a number behind my back between 1 and 10. Whoever's closest gets to go first. Everett, what's your number?
5.
Oh, it's a miss. Ireland, you're up. Let's see what we get. Oh!
Pick the hotel.
Pick the hotel. All right. All right, Mommy, come on. Oh! Oh, I forgot. All right. Oh! Yes! All right, what'd you get?
I got pick a restaurant.
Pick a restaurant. All right. Go ahead, Mommy.
$25.
25 euro spending money.
Miss, 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 miss.
$50 spending money.
Pick the spot.
Mommy got pick the spot. Oh, man.
Pick the excursion.
Pick the excursion.
Let's go to both.
What'd you get?
100 spending money.
100 euro spending money. So I got pick the family experience. So I get to pick where we go, what we do twice. And you get what?
I get to pick the hotel, Airbnb, and $50 spending.
And what do you get?
I got 100 spending money and pick a restaurant.
Okay, and Mommy?
I got pick where we're going and 25.
And what are our potential locations?
Southern France, Sicily, Portugal, Vienna, Canary Islands,
Yes.
Madrid, Sardinia, Slovenia, or Amalfi Coast.
Ooh! All right. What did we pick?
We picked Sicily.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Sicily!